Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums related to measuring an angle. Let's solve the first one. Measure the angle given below using protractor and write down the measure. So, we know first thing is to align the zero line with the reference ray. So let's say I'm taking this as a reference ray. I'm aligning this and I'm aligning the center to the vertex. Align the center to the vertex and a little small alignment for the zero line. Okay, so zero line is aligned. Center, I will align the center now. Center is aligned. And now which scale to take? The zero of the scale which is aligned to the reference ray. So if you see, the blue zero is aligned with the reference ray. So I'm taking the blue scale and I go 80, 85 and just 1 degree above 85, which is 86 degrees. And hence the measure of this angle is 86 degrees. Let's do the next one. Let's measure this angle now. Again, we have to align the zero line. So let's align the zero line and align the center with the vertex. We have aligned the zero line. Let's take a little up. Okay. So we have aligned the zero line. We have aligned the center. Now scale, if you see, the reference ray is touching the black scale's zero. So we'll use the black scale here. And then it is after 135, just 1 degree less than 140. We have 1 degree less than 140, which means it is 139 degrees. We'll try to measure this using the other ray as a reference. So let's turn this. Yes. So we have aligned the center with the vertex, align the reference ray with the zero line. In this time, the reference ray is aligned to the blue zero. So blue scale, if I take here, I see it is just less than 140 degrees, 1 degree less than it. And hence it is, if you point here, if you see here, this is 140 degree and 1 degree less than it, which is 139. And that's what we have measured earlier as well. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. An angle whose measure is less than a right angle is acute angle. Less than right means less than 90 degree. It is acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than that of right angle is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is sum of the measures of two right angles is straight angles. 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 is straight angle. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is. So, what they are saying is, if sum of measures of two angles is right angle, so this is right angle. So, if I have one angle this and one angle this, then the sum will be 90 degrees. So, the angles are going to be always less than 90 degree. Because sum has to be 90 means individual angles have to be less than 90. Then only the sum can be 90. If I have one angle more than 90, the sum also will be more than 90. And because they are saying sum of measures of two angles is a right angle which is 90 degrees, then each one of them has to be less than 90, and less than 90 is acute angle. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be. So we have a straight angle, and one angle is acute. One is acute. Then the other has to be obtuse angle, has to be greater than 90. If one is less than 90, then whatever is that less than 90 amount has to be added into the other angle. So it has to be greater than 90, and which is obtuse angle. Let's do the next one. Measure and classify each angle. Angle AOB. So let's measure angle AOB. For that, let's take protractor and align the protractor with A. Okay, we have A straight. So we can just align the vertex slightly below, a little below. Yes, and we have aligned the center. And if we see from 0, blue 0, because blue 0 is aligned with the reference ray AO, from blue 0 we have 1, 2, 30, 35 and just 2 degrees less than 40, that is 38 degrees. So we'll write the measure here. 38 degrees. Now we'll measure AOC. For measuring AOC, we see that aligned with A, and we go here till 130 and slightly more than 130, 2 degrees more than 130, which is 132. BOC and DOC. Let's align now with B. Okay, aligned with B. Again aligned with the blue scale. So if we see here, it is less than 95, 2 degrees less than 95, which is 93 degrees. And then we have DOC. For DOC, the blue scale is not aligned, the black scale is aligned. So we have to go on black scale. It is 85, 85 and 2 degrees more, so 87 degrees here. So first we'll go for DOB. If you see DOB, DOB is a straight line, so it is 180 degrees. And to measure DOA, let's align this with A, but this way. So we have aligned this with A, we have aligned the center, and now 0 aligned is the black scales 0, and hence we go from here, we reach here 140 and slightly more than that, it is 141 or 142 degrees. So what we have is 142 degrees. So now let's find the type. 38 degrees less than 90 means it's an acute. 132 degrees greater than 90 less than 180, which is obtuse. 93 greater than 90 less than 180, obtuse angle again. 87 degrees less than 90 is acute. 142 degrees greater than 90 less than 180, which is obtuse. 180 degrees is straight angle. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.